it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm with a back to school drugstore makeup look on this look right here that you guys see. It's so easy, very minimal products in all drugstore. And I also have 5 back to school easy hairstyles, no braids, no heat, and no products. So this video is so fun. So if you guys really enjoy this video, if you guys want to see more back to school videos, give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see. And yes, if you guys haven't checked out my last video as well as follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, I'll leave them all right here for you guys. Then you should definitely go ahead and check that out, because if you guys don't know already, I'm on season 2 of The Next American Beauty Star, and I'm so beyond excited. This airs on Lifetime TV January 3rd. And yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you guys want to see my back to school makeup as well as 5 hairstyles, then just keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm taking my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in natural brown and filling in any of them sparse areas. Of course, you can fill your brows in as much as you would like, but when I'm going for more of a natural look and a quick look, I like to just fill in any of them sparse areas. Now taking the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer, I'm using this to prime our eyes for our eyeshadow. This is also great because it also conceals any of them veins on your eyelids. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm taking that and just setting my eyelids so it's not tacky. Taking the e.l.f. bronzer and blush duo in Saint Luca, I'm taking the bronzer side and using this as my eyeshadow because we're going to be using this later on for our bronzer, so it's one less product that you don't need in your kit. And lastly, for mascara, I'm taking the Loreal Lash Paradise. To set my brows down, I'm taking the Great Lash by Maybelline and brushing them upwards so they're a little bit more bushy. To start off the face, I'm taking the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, and I'm taking that to prime my face as well as make it a little bit more dewy. Skipping foundation and going back in with that concealer, we're using it again, which is a great one less product that you don't need. And I'm taking this and putting this underneath my eyes and anywhere else that I have redness. And then going in with the L'Oreal sponge. I absolutely love this sponge. It's the best drugstore one. I highly recommend. Using another product that we already used, I'm taking that Maybelline powder once again, and it's that same exact brush, and I'm just putting this wherever I put concealer to set everything down. And look at that, going back in with that e.l.f. bronzer and using that to warm up my skin a little bit. I love using products that I can use on the eyes and the face so I don't have so many products. This is great if we're going to school. It's super quick and minimal as well. I absolutely love this duo because it has a blush in it as well, so I'm taking that blush with the same exact brush. You can use brushes all the time for different things, and I'm using that to just put a little bit of blush on my cheeks, you know, to make the skin look a little bit more sun-kissed. Now you definitely can skip this step because the blush already kind of had shimmer in it, but I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and using this to highlight a little bit. And as you see, I'm using that same brush we used to set our eyes and underneath our eyes as well, so again, using brushes for multiple things. Then going back in with that bronzer just to kind of deepen up the lash line a little bit and make it more bronzy. And then popping on some bottom mascara to finish the eyes. And lastly, I'm taking the Revlon Mist Spray and just setting the face down. And for lips, I'm taking the Baby Lips. It's a light pink. I absolutely love these. They're so natural. Highly recommend these. And I'm just dabbing that out so it's a little bit more faint. And then going back in with that highlight to put it right in the inner corner just to add a little bit more glow to the skin. And that is it for this look. Minimal products, all drugstore, and it's so easy but yet so beautiful. Now I'm moving on to the 5 hairstyles. So starting with number 1, headbands. I absolutely love using headbands. Just make my hair look so pretty without even trying. So this one is so pretty. It's a bandana. I absolutely love this. I'll leave all the products that I'm using and the hair products down below. But look at that. It's just so pretty. I love this. Number 2, I'm doing the twist braids. So all I'm doing is twisting the front piece of my hair and adding pieces from the front into that. It's so easy. If you're not good at braids, this look will be your best friend. And I'm taking that and doing the same thing to the other side and taking an elastic and just putting them back together. Hairstyle number 3 is up some down. I do this look all the time. I'm just taking half of my hair and putting it up into a ponytail and really making it nice and high. And then I just take a bobby pin and add a little bump in the front. It's so cute and so easy. This also looks really cute curled. I love this hairstyle. Hairstyle number 4, you're going to keep the up some down and just twist it to make a nice cute top knot, mess around with it a little bit, pull some pieces out, and that is hairstyle number 4. I love this one, so cute. And lastly, hairstyle number 5. I love this one. You're going to split your hair into 2 and put top knots on both sides. And that's it. It's so easy yet so cute. I love this one. It's adorable. Alright guys, so that is it for this back to school hair and makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know down below some suggestions of videos I should film because I always run out of things to film because I have like so many videos, so it's like what could I possibly film next? So of course, always let me know in the comments down below. DM me some suggestions you guys have, pictures you guys want me to recreate, anything you guys would like that. Let me know down below. But yes, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe it down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!